Okay, so I'm on my way to get off from school and I have to go to work. I'm hoping that they let me leave at 9 o'clock instead of 9:45 because I really don't feel good. I was in the house. I was sleeping. Like, I'm tired. Like I mentioned, I have a Sudafed in here. Not a Sudafed, I'm sorry, a Sucrets. I'm sorry, word. I have a Sucrets inside here. I got mixed it with some lemon. I was gonna do some honey because I got packs of honey from Dunkin' Donuts. On the street, it says honey. Um, but I'm not really big on honey tea. I don't like it. But I'm genuinely hoping that my job let me out. Like, I find one right tonight. I'm out. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. So if y'all can't, I do apologize. And I went to the walk-in yesterday, and there was no COVID, no flu, no stroke, no nothing. So I don't understand. I know that the doctor that I had, he said that there are 18 different, viruses that I could have. He said, no, if you go to the emergency room, they will test for all 18 of them. He said, I'm not suggesting, that you do that. He said, I'm just saying, what they could do, something that he can't. And I get it, you know what I mean? Because I was going to go this morning. I thought y'all know to school, but I was like, no. I just didn't feel like it. I wanted to just come home. I got in from the grocery store and just lay down. That's what I did. So that I got 4 rolls of beef. I had a box of some gems. I was not spending no $40 in the grocery store. I only spent 19 something in there because I got $1 back. And I am so determined now on not getting something that I don't need. I didn't need something, but I wanted them. I didn't think that was going to kill my pocket. Everybody keeps saying drink hot tea, drink hot tea. That's all I've been drinking. Okay? That's all I've been drinking. The freak show. Jeez Louise. I am so hot.